3 smoothies for a power-packed morning. Breakfast in a rush doesn't have to mean skipping nutrition. Here are 3 smoothies you can whip up in 2 minutes flat. Delicious, nutritious, and stress-free. Smoothie. 1. The Energizer. Blend spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk. Spinach gives you iron, bananas pack potassium, and yogurt adds protein. Your brain will thank you. Smoothie 2. Berry Powerhouse. Grab frozen mixed berries, oats, honey, and a splash of almond milk. High in antioxidants and slow-releasing carbs, this one fuels your morning hustle. Smoothie 3. Tropical Sunrise. Mango, pineapple, turmeric, and coconut water. This is your immune-boosting, anti-inflammatory sunshine in a glass. Pro tip: freeze your ingredients in individual bags ahead of time. Mornings just got easier. Which smoothie are you blending first? Comment below and hit that like button if you're all about easy, healthy mornings.